Hello, hello, hello. Come on in. Good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you doing today? It is weekend. Happy weekend. Good morning. Come on in, come on in, come on in. It's a quick one, but I have I have an announcement to make. Thumbs up as you come in. Good morning. Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good afternoon. Let's wait for a few more people to join before we go ahead on what we have today. It's a quick one, it's not going to be too long. Good morning, whoever you are. Thank you for joining. I'm not seeing you. Can you give us a thumbs up? Okay. We will go into what we have today. Weta dike ka egbuo, weta dike ka egbuo. Ụbọchị ihe ike mere achọwa dike. Yeah. Weta dike ka egbuo, weta dike ka egbuo. Ụbọchị ihe ike mere achọwa dike. Today is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's birthday. Okosisi nwa Chineke. A very straightforward man to the core. The man that believes that we only live and die once. The man that believes that nothing good comes on a platter of gold. A man that believes that if you don't fight for your right, nobody will fight for it for you. Happy birthday, Ezigbote nwa Chineke, Okosisi. Nna m ukwu. I missed you so much, Onyisi. Wherever you are, may Chukwu Okike Abiama protect you. May God guide you. Ya mara gị mma, dede. Ụwa dịkwara gị mma. Anwụchula anwụchu. So this is for some of you who come here to comment whatever you want. This is a quick one, a quick but short one. You are not allowed to come here to insult DOS. Not on this page. No. And you are not allowed to come here to insult Mazi Simon Ekpa either. It is vice versa. You don't come here to insult Mazi Simon Ekpa. And you don't come here to insult DOS either. Yeah. Some of you don't even watch what we post here. You prefer to watch buzzwords. You prefer to watch drama. You prefer to watch gossip. We that are genuinely creating awareness for Biafra restoration, you do not support us. You only come here when we post anything about DOS or Simon Ekpa. You come here to make an argument. You are not allowed to come here. If you want to insult the DOS or Simon Ekpa, just kindly go create a page and do that on your wall. Do not come here. And if you think we are doing this for money, oh, how much the other time we posted that we are not being paid, that we don't make a dime for creating awareness for Biafra restoration. And that person has never, I haven't seen her on this our page, on this our channel. She came here and said, oh, do not deceive us, we know. Biafrans are not stupid. I don't care if you are stupid or not. I didn't call you stupid, but if you think we are making billions, please create a page, create a channel, and start posting everything about Biafra. Start promoting Biafra. Let's see how much you're going to make. Let us see the mansions you are going to build from the money you are making and for creating awareness for Biafra restoration. Be genuine. Do not post about gossip. So, the last time we posted, we are not being paid. Someone was saying all kind of things. Well, we didn't respond to that person. We deleted her comment. Ndisi Oji, what is it with you people and money? What is it with you people and money? This yoji in your jaw. You think everything is about money? You think everybody is doing everything for money? Is that what you think? The worst thing you can do is to unsubscribe. That is the worst thing you can do. But let it serve as a reminder. Even if you unsubscribe, you unfollow. We don't even notice. And you are doing yourself more harm than good. Because the more you subscribe, the more you support anything Biafra, the more they push it to the world, the more the world is seeing it. Or you think the world is not seeing? The world is seeing everything that is going on, and the internet never forgets. The more you unsubscribe, the more the world is not seeing what is going on. And for those of you who like drama, who like gossip, the only thing you support, the only thing you watch is, Mazi Simon and DOS today. Hey, they clash, they nearly killed themselves. You'll be there watching. You like gossip. You don't like we that are genuinely doing this. Those that are supporting Mondays, Tuesdays and Fridays sit at home. This is for you. The people we are fighting for, the people we are fighting to get this Biafra for, are not okay with the Mondays, Tuesdays and Fridays sit at home. They are not okay. You live in the abroad, probably. But the people back home, the people in Nigeria are suffering. They are really suffering. If they don't go to work, they will not eat. So for you to enforce Mondays, Tuesdays sit at home, it is a no-no. It will not work for people. It is not fair enough. If you give people call you wicked. If you think the DOS are not doing well, you can start in your own capacity. I want to ask you, what are you doing in your own capacity to see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being released? What are you doing in your own capacity to see that Biafra is restored? What are you doing in your own capacity? Or is it just to pick up your phone, you wake up, you pick up your phone, you come online, you scroll through the comment and see who is insulting who, then you jump into it? What are you doing in your own capacity? In your own capacity, in your own little way, what are you doing to see that Biafra is restored? What are you doing to see that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released from the DSS dungeon? The DOS are doing well. They are truly doing well. The only problem we have is that you don't take your time to listen to them. Take a listen to them. You will find out that they are doing well. You call them harsh. You call them stupid. You say they are being harsh. They are insulting people. Yeah, that is human being for you. When you give people the same energy they give you, they call you wicked. They call you all manner of names. They call you harsh. They call you rude. But you are reciprocating the same energy being given to you. Some people come to Radio Biafra. They talk down on Chinas and Woru. They talk down on Chika Idozem. And when they respond to them, they are being harsh. But when they are speaking, you call in, you start speaking, you start insulting the DOS. You think they are not doing well. Onye si na oburu ya na oge eme nke ọzọ. Nwanne oburu ga onwe ihe ị ga-eme. I don't care about onye no erutebere. Ye erutere gị, you must care. If you are in the DSS shoe, if you are one of the DOS, sorry, I said if you are one of the DOS, onwe gị ihe ị ga-eme. Ya bụrụ gị ị ga-eme nke ame nke ọzọ, bụrụ gị ị ga-eme anything. You know? The worst thing you can do is to unsubscribe from us. Mane otago, soldier go, soldier come. Soldier come, soldier go. Barras remain. You cannot subscribe. Another people will subscribe. And you are doing yourself more harm than good. You are not even doing us. The more you subscribe, the more you support us, the more the world is seeing what Biafra is bringing to the table. The more you unsubscribe, the more you are making the world not to see. It is none of our business. We are doing our part to see that Biafra is restored in our time. Nnamdi Kanu chose the DOS you are insulting. He chose them. And this kind of thing that happened now has happened in 2015. And the DOS were there. You think everybody likes to talk too much. There are a lot of background work going on. There are a lot of background work going on. You that come online 3 times in a day, what time do you have to think? What time do you have to think? You think everything is everything is being said online. The internet never forgets. You don't say everything online. Some things are better left unsaid. I know that this may offend some of you, but it is what it is. All we hear, all we hear. You don't like the DOS. You don't like the way the DOS are doing it. After all, this sit at home that is being cancelled, was it not the same DOS that initiated it? On DOS is a case sit at home. Then before the DOS cancelled this sit at home, they have a genuine reason. Don't you guys know that Nnamdi Kanu is in Nigeria? He may be seeing some things. He may be experiencing some things that you may not know. Why not leave everything and keep praying until the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu comes out? Then he will be in a better position to clarify all doubt. You are attacking the DOS. They are not doing well. You think they are not doing well? you think the DOS are not doing well? They are doing well. They are also human. They have families. They have their own problem to sort out. You that all just you go to work, you come back, you pick up your phone, you start insulting them. What are you doing in your own capacity? Nothing. Isn't it ridiculous? Quite ridiculous. You are not doing anything to help them. You start attacking the secretary. She's a little girl. I can't imagine the kind of trauma she's going through. She has never experienced this kind of thing before. Everybody is calling on her on the internet. Madam Secretary. Ono zukwa nike. Zukwa no nike. Everybody do not like to talk too much. Over everybody ne kwokoku. Take a listen to Mazi Doziem. That guy ane kwokoku. He doesn't talk too much. He just do his thing, he go. And there is a lot of background work going on. You may not have any idea. You may not know. You may not know that there are a lot of things going on. And you are there, you are shouting. Did you say, yes, I tried to, they have been hijacked, they have been sold. The judge are willing can cause. Chai! Now, wow. It is you who is not paying attention. It is you who is not listening to the right person. You come online thrice in a day. What time do you have to think? Mazi Simon Eba is ours. The DOS are also ours. Unu jiri ya nwayo. Were no nwayo. This is all I have to say. Thank you. I may come back, but I may not. It depends. Take care. Take a ponder on this. Do not come to this page to insult the DOS. If you want to insult the DOS, create your own page. If you think we are making billions for creating awareness for Biafra restoration, create a page and start making the same billion. We don't do this for we don't do it for pay. This yoji gini kunu na ego ji the self. Ihe obuna na emu na asi ego. We are not doing this for money. We are creating awareness for Biafra restoration, for everybody to see what is going on, for everybody to see that we need Biafra. We don't make a dime, believe it or not. If you doubt it, create a page, create a channel, and start making billions. We have decent jobs, okay? We have decent jobs. We don't pay our bills with YouTube or whatever, any social media platform. What I go? There is a lot of background work going on. Everything is not to be said online. You come online 3 times in a day. You don't have time to think. Okay? Keep Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in your prayers. Everything will fall into place. It may take time, but it surely will fall into place. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care now. Bye.